Welcome to qnawire.
In this question, we'll understand the basic concept of optics. The question is, light falls from glass to air. We have to find the angle of incidence, for which the angle of deviation is 90 degree. So the refractive index of glass is given as 1.5 and the angle of deviation is given as 90 degree. So we have to find the angle of incidence, right? So as we know that critical angle sin c by sin 90 would be equal to 1 upon 1.5, right? Or in other words, the critical angle would be equal to sin inverse 1 upon 1.5, which is equals to 47.2 degrees, and the angle of deviation is the maximum attainable deviation in reflection is known as 90 minus 41.8 degree. Right, so the value of critical angle is 41.8 degree. Therefore, the value of angle of deviation would be 90 minus 41.8, which is equals to 47.2 degrees. So in this case, total internal reflection must have taken place. So in reflection, the deviation is (180 minus 2y) and it is given as 90 degrees. Therefore, the value of I from this equation would be 45 degrees. Right. So first we have found the maximum value of angle of deviation, which is 47.2 degrees. Since it is lesser than 90 degrees, therefore the reflection must not have happened, right? So there is a possibility of total internal reflection. In that case, the deviation is 180 minus 2y. So from this equation we have found the angle of incidence, right?